the new 6.1 intake. Here's the old. Sorry about that. My neighbor just decided to cut the grass. Got everything pulled off. Got my fuel rail over here. Got my injectors. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Should be a decent little upgrade. I'm gonna throw it on and I'll do a video after. All right, got the throttle body on. Got the injectors. Just time to drop that fuel rail. Should be plug and play after that. I got everything buttoned up. The fuel rail's on. Fuel injectors installed. Last thing I gotta do is just take off the quick connect from the other intake for the fuel line. And I should be good to go. Right, I'm ready to drop it on. Gaskets, fuel rails, everything ready to go. All right, I don't think I got any leaks. Injectors look good. Got everything bolted up. Do the first startup now. This side is good. All right, start it up. All right, everything looks good. 6.1 intake on a 5.7 2014 Charger. See, it is the RT. It's a wrap.
All right, there you have it. 6.1 intake manifold on a 5.7 Hemi. It can be done. Some parts you're going to need, so just be warned. You need the 6.1 intake manifold bolts. The stock ones are too long, so make sure you pick those up. If you don't have them, you can go to the hardware store. 6 millimeter by 35 millimeters long. That's what I'm running temporarily until I swap them out, but those will work. Also, it's a different gasket style. You need the flat gasket for the 6.1 intake manifold. The stock one will not work. The stock manifold comes with O-rings, and this is a different style. Also, you might want to relocate your evap line like I did. I used about 3 feet of fuel line just because I didn't like the way it was running across the top. I also capped off the line coming from the cold air intake, and then I put a breather filter on the line coming out of the crank. But yeah, it's a pretty straightforward swap. I love the way that it looks. If you got any questions, shoot me a message. I'll make sure I respond. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you. Thank you.